How to get $80 Express promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Express promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Express. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open CouponFollow. After you open it, just scroll. You're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $50 off, $70 off, 10% off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. I'm going to select this one. So here is the code, copy it, then click on Redeem at Express. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Express. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, because in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Express. Well, this way you can easily get up to $80 Express promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.